I'm now recording. I've just decided to record because I felt like it, and I guess it's going to be that episode. Currently I'm beating Honey Drip right now, and I just beat Sloth, which is why I started recording. So I think I'm going to play that for a while. For like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and then I'm going to stop the video. I might make another video later. I don't know. Well, I forget, I don't know. See you guys, but why am I saying see you guys? I'm not going. So, I'm going to try and get the golfer catch reform now. I'm going to cut this part out later. Oh, for God's sake. Sweet little bumblebee. Shut up, you egg. Level 33 career is literally what I have. Okay, oh, for God's sake. Okay, just ignore that. Again. And I say that it's kind of easier than the normal stage. Hopefully it is. Tim will have at least one treasure radar. God's sake. Yeah, I don't care, I'm on one. Okay, so no bronze, so I shouldn't remove you. You might be useful. Oh no, I nearly forgot. You don't really seem all that useful, to be honest. So I'll take Lunacy, I need Lunacy. Let's go! First thing, the stupid wall. I think that Donald Trump wants. This rhino die. Can Tang get one shot? No, ref. Replay that. I love that. I just love that. Don't you also love that? Excuse me. Konos, if you use Hyper Boost, get another one of your enemies, because you can't think of what to do for stage design. Konos, that thing survived a level like 37 Gorolodon with talent. Well, with defense talent, but still. And there's also this dumb ass otter. Now he give me money, great. Courier. I'll kill this bitch, it should be easier. Yeah, hopefully that was the first and last otter, as that was a pain in the arse to deal with. Right as I complain about the otter, that bitch appears again. If I lose the fucking otter, I'm actually going to be so mad. Why is this otter not die? I'm bringing Pizza Cat. I think I need to bring Pizza Cat, because no, that is just... Fishman. Will this Waldo just die? Is this Waldo on ketamine? Jesus. He would not die. Just a stack couriers. More fishmen. 2 heavy fishmen. That's what I said. 1. And I won. Actually easy. Actually no, it wasn't easy, was it, Shiny Dragon? Look at the line of couriers. That's actually hilarious. Just that 20 of them. That's actually so funny, mate. Gold for cat. Gold for cat. I'm never doing that again. Oh my god, shut up. Shut up. My viewers probably can't hear anything because of you. Shut up. Shut up, you little knobheads. The old queen? What the fuck is this? Okay, I'm not doing that now. I really can't bother. Oh, for fuck's sake. I know, I've heard that slime cat is very good. Fuck you. Golf cat. Should I keep him recording? Or... Actually, no, I think I'll beat the old queen and then. Oh, fuck, I don't care, bye. I mean. Oh, what am I doing? Bye, guys, see you soon.